These are brand new websites that you can earn money by watching videos and clicking ads. Basically, you're going to click a button, watch your videos, earn money, and you can withdraw that money. This method 100% free. This works worldwide, and you can use smart devices like your smartphone or tablet to earn money. So I'm going to walk you through 5 new websites to earn up to $100 by watching videos or clicking ad. Also, if you watch the video until the end, that I'm going to show you my earning from one of those websites. The first website is called paidbirds.com that you can see. Connect, click and earn. That you can hear. You can advertise. If you have a website, you can advertise on here, and if you don't, you can earn money by clicking ad. You can see get paid to click. We are the first PTC, which means pay to click. So you click an ad, you get paid, and you have a unique point program that lets you increase the value of your paid ad. Basically, you click ad and you can earn money, or you can do both. You can advertise and you can earn money. So see here, why paid words? That you can see, number one, secure. Our website is supported by a high quality secure system which make sure all of your information remains safe. Second, transparent. All transaction made on our platform can be tracked, and sustainable. That you can see here, this website work with all 2 apps, Android and Apple Store, and you can, if you have a computer laptop, that you can use. That you can see here, these are the earning from the last 48 hours. Top earners: $20, $10, $3, $19. And you can see lots of people earning money from this website, and this website work worldwide. That you can Bangladesh here, United States there, Iran there, lots of other kind of people from other countries earning money. So how you can do that? Click this one called register, and it will take you to this page where you can put your name, username. You're gonna put the password, confirm your password. You're gonna put the valid email address. I'm gonna select male or female. You're gonna put your date of birth, and you're gonna confirm your date of birth, and you're gonna select the object that they're asking for you, and you're gonna create a free account, and you're gonna earn money by clicking ad from this website, guys. So this is the number 1 website, is called paidwords.com. The second website is called Dollars Reward. That you can see, finally you reach your destination for highest earning. Get rewarded for sharing your opinion. Earn money simply by completing online activities such as surveys and offers, viewing ad, basically clicking ad, completing tasks, and referring new members. So if you come down to bottom, that you can see, this is a new website from since 2015. Only 6,732 people are there. Right now there's 5 users, and they paid so far $23,000. So it's a barely new website, lack of competition, that you can earn money by watching ad or completing offers. That you can see daily payout. We release cash ad for our members daily via PayPal or Skrill or bank or gift card or Paytm. And you can see higher rates, global offers, which mean if they are promoting global offers, that you can register account with worldwide. And you can affiliate program also. You reward people. You can earn up to 10% from the direct, or up to 3% from indirect referral, or whatever you earn from the lifetime. Whatever they earn, you're gonna earn 10% or 3% indirectly. So you can see create account, complete surveys, and get reward. So basically, if you go to register account here, you put your first name, second name, username, password, confirm the password. Remember, put your valid email. Then you can see here address. This is showing United States. So if you click this one and select India, and it will automatically change that for you. So this means this site work worldwide, that you can make money from this website, guys. So basically, you're gonna make money by clicking ad or watching ad and completing surveys. Third website is called gg2.org. gg2do.org. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. You can see earn reward for taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos and more. So this is a website that you can earn money by watching videos and playing games, guys. That you can see you can get the payout through PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. So if you sign up today, you're gonna get $1 sign up bonus. You put your first name, valid email address, username, create your password, and select the country. So if you select here, you can see it's work worldwide, and select the country, and you can do that. You can see easy way for you to earn. You'll be rewarded for things like playing games, answering surveys question, sign up site, and installing app. You can even earn extra while you are playing video games, or simply having a video playing in the background on your phone or computer, which means this site work in your smartphone at the same time in your computer, that you can earn money, guys. So this is the third website is called gg2u.org, and this is the fourth website is called scarletclick.info. that you can see these are the payout proof: $34, $27, $15, $9, and $7 that you can see here. This is the website. Here you can click ad. Only one thing you're gonna do, you're gonna click ad and you can earn money. So click ads, click on ad, and get paid up to 1 cent for each. Yes, this is low payout, but it is worth it, guys, because I'm gonna show you the final website which I earned lots of money from it, and I'm gonna show you the current balance on that. You can see that you can 100%, you can earn up to 100% referral earning. Earn money, you can earn by clicking ads, completing offers. Yes, then you can complete offers and referring new members, and you can pay out through Skrill, Netlab, Payeer, ATM, and Bitcoin account. So if you have a Bitcoin wallet, then you can withdraw that money to that. That you can see they paid over 2.5 million to its members, and roughly they have around 100,000 members, guys. That you can see earn up to 1 cent per click. $2 is minimum payout. These are the payout options that you have, and you can earn after 100% referral earning and detailed statistics. Okay, you can leave that behind, and if you want to create an account with them, click this one called register, and it will take to this page where you're going to put your full name, email address, date of birth, username, password, confirm your password, and you're going to put your payment details. So you have to create either one of them. Payeer is one of the easy way to create. If not, you can create this Skrill if you want, and after that you create your free account. You can complete offers and click add, and you can earn money. This is my final website. So you can see I have $6 on my balance here. If I click that, you can see I refresh the page, is $6 on balance here. Again, this website is called starclicks.com, and if you take to this page, you can see here earn money by clicking ad, and you can get paid instantly, and you can withdraw that money using your PayPal account or bank transfer or any other options. That you can say you can start immediately. You can create your free account with them, no skill required, and you can turn your time into profit, guys. So if you have a free time, click ad, play the ad in the background, do your work, and you collect the money, and you can withdraw using your PayPal account, guys, or any other payment options. So if you want to create a free account with them, you're going to click this one called sign up, and it will take to this page. You're going to select publish account or advertise account. You can see sign up for publish account to make money, or sign up or advertise account to you want to promote your website. So you're going to go with the publish account. Sign up, you're going to put your first name, last name, date of birth, and you're going to put the home address here, your city, and where you live in. So if you click this one, you can see this website work worldwide, and you're going to put the, so for example, select India, and you're going to put the postal code, your zip code, whatever in India, and you put your phone number if you want, or you can put international format. You can put your phone number if you want, and sign up with that, and you can create your free account, and you can earn money. If you want to join StarClick, I put my referral link in the description. Click that and join that, and you can earn money by watching videos, clicking ad, and save it. So these 5 websites are the one that you can make $100 by watching videos, clicking ads, completing offers. So if you want to check it out this website. Also leave me that in the comment section where you from, so I can make a video for you guys.